Hey you guys, I am heading to Walmart to get some dinner and I wanted to bring y'all with me. Getting back into YouTube is kind of weird because I haven't been on here in a while. So if you've been subscribed to my channel for this long, I appreciate you so much. Yeah, I haven't been on here in a while, so it's a lot that needs to be talked about me getting pregnant, giving birth to twins, my flight attendant career. Am I still a flight attendant? What am I doing now? Am I still in Michigan? You know, all the things, right? And so yeah, we're gonna get to that really soon, but I wanted to bring y'all with me to come to the store, come and make some dinner. When I was pregnant, I did not cook like I used to. Even when I wasn't pregnant, I didn't really cook a lot, but it was like probably twice a week because of leftovers and stuff. But now that I'm not pregnant and I'm getting back into the swing of things, I want to make some I want to start cooking more. So today I'm going to make some chicken and sausage Alfredo. I think that'd be so good with some I don't know if I want to do wings on the side or do like fish. Do y'all add an extra side or extra like item to pasta? Because I feel like you need something else. You can't just eat pasta. I don't know. What do y'all do? Like when y'all make, I know for me when I make spaghetti, I do either fried chicken or fried catfish. And so yeah, I'm trying to think if I want to do like something with the Alfredo. I don't really like Walmart, y'all, but since I've been introduced to Myers and Target, I don't even go to Walmart anymore. But we here, so we're gonna get it and go back home. Okay, so we are in Walmart. I need some green and red peppers. With the chicken and sausage Alfredo that I'm doing sauteed peppers in it. So I'm gonna do red and green peppers. Pretty simple. This brand of Parmesan, I don't know the difference from the other one. This one says Parmesan, but it's something else. I don't know what the difference is, but this is the one I use. I'm gonna just use this one, and then you use heavy whipping cream, and yeah. And now we need to get some pasta. I don't know if I want to do the Alfredo pasta, or I might do like the penne noodles. I don't think I'm feeling like Alfredo noodles right now, because it just reminds me of spaghetti, and I'm like, I don't want spaghetti. I feel like we have some at the house, but you can never be too sure. Yeah, I'm gonna get the penne noodles for my Alfredo, and I got my peppers, my red and green peppers. I think 1 pound of penne noodles should be enough for 2 people, because like when you cook it, it should be, yeah, that should be enough. I hope it's enough. Yeah, I hope it's enough. So I got my pasta. Now I need to get some chicken and some andouille sausage. We have chicken at the house, but it's frozen, and we forgot to put it out, take it out the freezer last night. We never really know what we're eating until like the next day anyway, which is kind of bad. Like we don't really know what's for dinner until we actually talk about dinner. But we're actually going to use the chicken tenderloins. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but Where is it? Here they are. Here they go, right here. The chicken breast tenderloin. What I like is this one looks a little good. Okay, y'all, I was only supposed to come in here for dinner, but as you can see, I got other stuff. Freezer foods, all this other stuff. I'm in the baby section right now, like, girl. I told myself I wasn't gonna be that mama who just buy their kids stuff because they at the store. Girl, cause I'm here in the baby section just looking, but I need to stay focused. That's how you end up spending money you ain't supposed to. But I do want to buy them some hair products because their hair is dry. I've been doing I haven't put anything in it but lotion after their baths and stuff, but I do want to get like some cream, something where their hair won't be so dry. The lotion is cool, but it's not what I really want. Ooh, I don't know if anybody tried this before. I don't know how you pronounce it. Suave curling buttercream. I might try this. I might try this brand for like the creams and stuff for their hair. I want to be able to, you know, put something on their hair where it's not drying. I'm gonna get this baby water and I'm gonna get some Cajun seasoning, and then after that I'm gonna head to Myers because that's really all I need. I got this extra stuff, but yeah. Okay, I'm in Myers. My camera is about to die. Hopefully it don't die while I'm here, but I hope they have the dually sausage that I need, because Walmart's, it just didn't look right. They didn't have a dually sausage anyway, but their sausage didn't look right anyway. I might just do a regular smoked sausage because a dually is not available. Oh, it is available. Y'all, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Should I get one or two? Because I never see these here. I'm gonna get one. And then I'm gonna go get some deodorant. I really need to get some more body armors for my milk supply. But I have this lactation mixture packets that I received from this brand, this company. I forget the name. Oh, Mommy Knows Best sent me some lactation like drink mix, like the little package you pour in your water. I don't know if I see an increase or not. I feel like I do. I'm not sure. I have to find the deodorant because I don't know where it's at. Old Spice. I think that's what he wears. Old Spice. Let me call him and see what deodorant it's at. Okay, so I'm getting him the Everyman Jack brand. I like this brand. Old Spice, they got too many options, so I won't really know what to get him. My battery's about to die. I got 3% on my camera. I'm gonna charge it when I get to the house, and then I'm gonna get back to filming and show you the process of me making the pasta. So, wine, not that much though. You really don't drink wine, give heartburn. right, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in to tonight's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog and coming to the store with me. I'm going to try to vlog more and do a day in the life being at home with the twins. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and comment and let me know what you would like to see. I'll see you guys later.